Do you want to remove banners from your Instagram profile? Then let me show you how. In this video, I'll detail how to remove Facebook banner or any website banner from your Instagram profile. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. So once you open the Instagram application, you want to go ahead and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then locate and click on edit profile. It doesn't count whether you're on professional mode or not. Once you selected edit profile, then you should see banners. Click on it. Then here you should see all the banners you have. Once you click on banners, you can see I have my channel, which is my Instagram channel, and Facebook profile. Now to remove the banner, you can just go ahead, click on the delete button, and then spot that says remove banner. Go ahead and click on remove. This remove your Facebook link from banner. You can add it back anytime. Click on remove. Then hang on. Then you should see the banner removed. Click on done again at top right. Now if you go back to your Instagram profile and you refresh, you should see the Facebook banner removed. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to remove banner from Instagram. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.